Hello friend, in this video lecture I am going to discuss about how to run Java code in Eclipse IDE. So here the first step we need to install and download ZDK. So here if I go on a command prompt, so let's open the command prompt. If I write here Java, so here I'm getting Java is not recognized external or internal command. So let's go at C drive, here program files, here Java ZK bin. You need to copy this path and here write edit system environment variable. Now click on environment variable, here path. Now click on edit, here new, and paste this path. Hereafter OK. Now let's close and open command prompt. Now this time let's write Java. So here you can see this all those things. That means Java install and path that has been setted successfully. Now if I write here Java C, here you can get this all details. It means Java is working. Now after Java working, let's go on Google and in search box write Eclipse. Here you can see eclipse.org site. You need to click this site and hereafter there is going to open the new page. Here you can see this all details. Now here you need to click on this download button, and this I'm using here 64-bit operating system. So let's click on download 64-bit Eclipse IDE 2020. Now you can migrate to new page. Click on download button once again, and here if you scroll down, so here this is a donation page. If you want, then you can do the donation. Now hereafter you can see this is the status. The file size 52.4 MB. So it will take few minutes time to download this file. Now here you can see Eclipse inst win64 exe file that downloaded. Click this file, and hereafter you can see Eclipse installer by OMP, and here you can see Eclipse IDE for Java developer, for enterprise Java developer, C, C++, here PHP, and Java and DSL developer, and here you can see many more. So here you can see scientific computed, Escort, and Rust. So this lecture I'm going to discuss for Java programming. So here this is the feature Java developer including ID, GIT, XML, Maven. So let's click this first one, and at this location there Eclipse is going to install. Now let's click on install button, and you need to accept, and this is the progress of installation. And here you can see C program files ZK 14 that I already have, so it automatically taken ZK 14. So you should wait a few minutes to complete this all process. Now you can see Eclipse IDE for Java developer, and here you can see this is the green. That means Eclipse installed successfully. And to launch Eclipse IDE you need to click on this launch button, and here Eclipse IDE 2020 06 it's opening. Now you can see Eclipse IDE launcher workspace. So this location, if you want, then you can change by clicking browse. So there is only one workspace is there. Let's click on launch button, and here starting Eclipse IDE. Now after waiting a few second times, here you can see Eclipse workspace ID, it's open there. Let's make that bigger. Click on the close, and here after the next thing is, so we need to create the first project. So let's click on create Java project, and at this place you need to give the Java project name. So here going to write Java SQL. Now here after JRE automatically taken Java SC 14 version, and no need to change anything. Let's click on next, and here after at this place you also no need to change anything. Okay, let's click on finish, and here create module info Java. Let's click on create button, and now you can see there is a module. It's created with the name module info Java. Let's close that. Here after right click on Java SQL project, here new, and click on package. So here I'm giving the package name test pk. Now here after create package info Java, it's not required. Here package it's created. Now right click on again on the Java project, and here after click on class, and here automatically taken this package, and here after let's give name, and here public static void main it's required, and these three are not required. Now here after click on finish, and here all correct and package also come there. Now here after going to print hello world program. So let's write system dot out dot print, and inside double quote going to write hello world. Now Control S to save, and for run you can debug or click on run, and here you can see the output hello world it's displaying. You can use the debug option also, the same output here you can see. Okay, hello world it's displaying. So this is the simplest way we can run Java code inside Eclipse IDE. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.